湯かけりゃいってこい。
Ash clay.
Yeah, it's probably that.
Ittekoi.
High no you.
そうこれだから。
透明。
Can I just bring all of these? Oh yeah.
Hi. Help me. Help me.
What's it called?
Gross.
You're gross.
I mean, I've been told that many times.
持ち上げる。
このぐらいでいいんじゃないかな。
Okay.
そしたら出して叩いてあげると結構消えるから。And that's it. That's
Yeah. So it's next to the GASBON.
2 or 3.
火も出てるよ。赤くなってるよ。見て。
Whoa.
だからね、こう炭になっちゃう。
A lot of smoke. Everyone is.
焼けるかも。
Two in Los Angeles, one in Michigan.
そしたら左をこの輪っかに突っ込んで、これを迎えに行きます。で、結びます。
Yes, yes, you got it. Yeah. So.
Like this.
Okay, Susan. Flip about.
Look at all the fishies. Look at all the delicious fishies.
And now what do I do?
Turn that.
Itadakimasu. This way.
Yeah. There we go.
Good peddlers.
Now go through.
These are.
And it's usually like when I'm going to the studio. But to be at the studio.
種があるさくらんぼが3つあるので、保温のもの、これは、種に気をつけて召し上がって。
Look, the front, take the front side. Which face is front side, and then look, and then rotate 90 degrees.
Which way? Okay. I got my front.
Yeah.
90 degrees. I have a perfect spot for my mouth. And now drink.
Yeah.
いただきます。
Come on, get over here.
I see shiny. I see shiny.
Oh, nice.
いい色してる。
How was it for you?
Amazing. It was super cool. Everything came out really good.
Did you get some good pieces?
Only cool, just cool. Amazing. It's amazing. Best Anagama ever.
First. This is very emotional for me.
とても感情的に感じてます。
As you can
This has
see.
been a lifelong dream to participate in this process. And it is beyond my dreams to have it, the people that I've participated with have made this so incredible. This whole process, thank you. Let's have a drink.
Cheers. Kanpai. Yeah.